I want a taco. Sorry. Hi, it's me, Leo from Inside Leo's Mind. Today, I'm going to show you on how to make one of my favorite items from Taco Bell. I'm going to do a homemade version of the cheesy gordita crunch, or the cheesy crunchy gordita, however you want to call it. The cheesy crunchy gordita. Well, I'm going to show. Let's begin the ingredients. First of all, Taco Bell. The traditional ingredient from Taco Bell is their shell. All you need is a taco shell. You can go to the grocery store to buy some. Here's flour tortilla. Originally I was going to use pita bread, but it makes it more easier if we use this. But it works fine. So all you need is a jumbo shell and this size of a flour tortilla. All you have to do is place it on it. Ta-da! Look, you can just melt the cheese inside here. Other ingredients you'll need is tomatoes, lettuce, cumin or taco seasoning. That's the most crucial ingredient when you make ground beef tacos or anything like that. Melted some Monterey Jack cheese, the Kirkland signature Mexican style blend cheese. Sour cream, another Taco Bell ingredient. That's what they used in all their items, like their gordita crunches, their tacos, and their crunch wraps, and burritos too. Okay, speaking of Taco Bell, here's some leftover sauces that we have. Yup, a bag full of leftover sauces. The next time you eat Taco Bell, save these, so you can save it for later. Now, and last but not least, I forgot to mention, here's the olives. Okay. Also, another important thing I've been mentioning to you. It's already been pre-cooked. The beef has been pre-cooked, so let's get on to the instructions. Here's the ground beef. Here's how you cook the ground beef. So this is what we used. We used some ground beef. We used taco seasoning. We used a little bit of oil or butter. Oil. So we brown it like this. So it's very easy to make. It's not like cooking a burger. So all you just do is just put ground beef, sprinkle it everywhere with taco seasoning, or you can use pepper. You can use pepper, salt, paprika, or cayenne pepper, whatever you want. Substitutes are absolutely welcome. So it's very, like I said, this is very easy to make. You just use your spoon or spatula to break it in pieces. Now that the beef is done, I'm gonna heat up the tortilla and cheese around 30 minutes, and I'll be right back.
30 seconds.
For 30 seconds, and I'll be right.
Start over.
Now that the beef is done, I'm gonna start heating up the cheese and tortilla around 30 seconds. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that now it's glued together. Now I'm gonna show you how to build the gordita crunch. Okay, first off, start off with some beef. Sour cream. some lettuce, tomato, cheese, please. More. Now some of this, olives. And voila, you got yourself, oops. And voila, you got yourself a cheesy gordita crunch. Just like you see it, just like you order at Taco Bell. I'm gonna start trying it right now. I'm gonna take a bite out of this right about now. It is the best thing ever. I totally recommend it. If you really like Taco Bell and you want to do something homemade, go for it. I recommend this recipe if you really love Taco Bell. You can even recreate the entire menu, but yourself. It's very easy to make. So this is Leo from Inside Leo's Mind, signing off, and see you on the flip side.